Hello and welcome to See Our Make and happy anniversary! This is our first anniversary together because it has officially been a year on YouTube. Yes, this channel is 1 year old. So to celebrate, I thought I would make us an anniversary present. They say that the first anniversary should be a gift of paper. So let's go check out the paper anniversary gift I made us. To start off, I just grabbed a book that I had lying around. This one I actually bought at the dollar store, so hello dollar store finds. I like it because it's got a black cover, so it's very neutral looking. And it has almost 400 pages, so I'm going to take this book and we're going to be carving into it. I'm going to carve about 5 layers into it. The more pages you do in a layer, the more depth you'll get. But I think 45 pages per layer should give me the depth that I want. So now let's just grab our tools. Here I've got a set of razor blades, so I'll be using these two, but I also end up using a pair of scissors later on. I also have a printed out picture of the design that I'm going to do on this book, so if you recognize that design, it's the cover of this YouTube channel. Of course, because it's our anniversary gift. So I actually attempted book carving before when I was a lot younger. I made a gift for my dad for Father's Day, and if you can see, I tried to carve into this old book, but I only did a few layers, like 4 pages each, because it was so much detail I wanted. I mean, it's cute, don't get me wrong, especially for like the age I was when I tried it, but I just can do so much better now. And like after the first attempt, I'm like, okay, you definitely have to carve way more pages into this. But anyways, here's another example of what your book can look like. Let's jump back in. So instead of carving this book vertical and just doing a small window like this, I think I'm actually going to turn it and do a horizontal carving. I mean, sure, books don't actually lay that way, but it's not like we're going to be reading it. So yeah, I'm just going to turn this book horizontal and carve into it that way. I'm just going to measure out 1.5 centimeters from the edge of the book, just so I have a nice border. And I'm also going to grab a cutting mat to place between my layers when I slice them open. So now I'm just pretty much going to be cutting and then painting this piece. So let's just let the music play and enjoy the aesthetic. Guys, I don't think you understand. This looks so cool. Like, oh my gosh. I did not expect it to turn out that cool. Like, I'm so glad I did the watercolor because it really, like, you know, adds definition to it. It already has definition, but it just kind of makes it more extreme, and the colors make it just, like, so pretty against the black book. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! I mean, guys, come on. Look at the improvement. I mean, you know, this one has heart in it. Childlike wonder. But this one, this one looks Instagram worthy. Anyways, if you have a first anniversary coming up, I recommend trying to make one of these book carving gifts because they're so cool. That's the end of this video. Happy anniversary. I hope you like the gift that I made us. If you did, hit that like button, comment down below what you would carve in a book if you could. Share this video with your friends, Pinterest peeps, or creative creeps, and please subscribe because I post every Friday at 3. Thank you for watching. It's a fish because Dad likes to fish. Just, oh. It's a big, my hair is all over these.